Hello, I am Sumit Gupta, co-founder of CoinDCX. Sure, I think the trend is largely driven by multiple mega trends that are coinciding at the same time. One, there has been recently approvals of ETF in the US, which is driving a lot of institutional capital into the market, as high as billions of dollars, roughly 40 to 50 billion dollars. So that's the first time that Bitcoin has seen such large amount of institutional supply. So that is number one. Number two is we are also about to see a once in 4 years kind of event, which is called Bitcoin halving. What happens there is the supply of Bitcoin gets cut into half. So it will go down from 6.25 to 3.125. So there will be supply crunch, and with the increasing demand, it leads to price uptick in prices. So that is the second thing. The third thing, what is happening is also lot more clarity on the regulatory front across the globe, and this is again going to give a lot of confidence to investors around the globe, because it's a global asset class. As countries across the world are giving more clarity and more adoption happens on Bitcoin as an asset class, the price will continue to rise. So I think it's that time where so many big things are coming together at the same time, which is leading to this upward momentum. I think we are already in one. We are already in one. Depends upon how you define bull run, right? As per my definition, my understanding, we are already in that phase, because Bitcoin prices have already crossed all-time high and currently sitting at $72,000. Roughly 60 lakhs or so, which is already driving lot of interest and lot of conversations, both within the crypto and Web3 ecosystem as well as outside. So it's already happening. So I think a couple of things that are very, very clear. One is the maturity of investors that is increasing. So in the last cycle, around 2.5 years back, there has been a lot of investors who flocked into altcoins or low market cap coins, which are risky, and some meme coins, for example, Doge, Shiba. I think now there is a lot more sanity, and people are aware about investing in blue chip crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top ones. That is one difference. So the average profile of investors is sort of getting matured over time. Second thing is also in this particular cycle, we are seeing a lot of smart capital coming into the ecosystem. Smart capital as in people who are educated, people who very well are aware about the technology, who are ahead, in terms of technological trends. So that kind of audience is coming in, and they are coming with a lot more conviction and confidence, because now the clarity is much more than what it was before globally. And that's also happening. The average age of investors has shifted from 25 years to 30 years. The average investment amount, which was around $180, it is now increasing. So that just means that a lot of smart capital is coming in, and a lot more matured capital, and the capital that is coming in right now is not there for short term. So it is going to be there, it is going to be there for long term. This is the trend that we notice in our current investor sentiment. So CoinDCX is doing tons of things. We do have an exchange platform called CoinDCX, which allows seamless trading of digital assets in the country, in India. Apart from that, there are various initiatives. There is one where we invest and support Web3 ventures, Web3 startups in the country and even globally. We have done almost 18 of them. So that's number one. We do have a wallet product, which I'm very proud to share that it's the only and most powerful product coming from India. This is the stack on which people will be building Web3 applications, which is already happening at this, at the early stages. And whenever people will want to build Web3 applications, they don't want to build everything from scratch. We have already built in plug and play solution for anyone to dip into that stack and build that product out. So what used to cost tens of millions of dollars and years of effort is now reduced to few $1,000s, or even very little cost and just a effort of few weeks or months. So I believe this is going to be a significant step towards adopting, towards adoption of Web3 applications to the masses. The question is, okay, where is the application that we use on a day-to-day basis? This is the product that will essentially give rise to those applications.